The Kranzle K1322 is better in almost every way over the 1622. It's Obsessed Garage's default recommendation for pressure washer. Realistically, most people shouldn't be buying a 1622 unless you fall into two very specific categories, but we're going to talk about the details right now. First, let's talk about numbers. The 1322 flows at 1.9 gallons per minute at 1,000 psi versus the 1622's 1.6 GPM at 900 psi. So you're getting significantly more performance with the 1322, which you should expect if you're spending this much on a pressure washer. The second thing is that the 1322 does not come with any accessories, and the 1622 comes with the OE accessories. Now, we wouldn't recommend anybody use the OE accessories that come with Kranzle. They're not terrible, but they're not great, especially if you're looking to do car detailing or washing your car. I'd much rather see you get the 1322 with Obsessed Garage's accessories. Even the basic bundle is significantly better than this. So if you buy the 1622, you're probably going to end up upgrading anyway. So I wouldn't factor that into your purchasing decision. Last thing, let's talk about the two reasons why you would buy the 1622. The 1622 operates at much lower amps than the 1322. So if you're a mobile detailer and you're using a little portable generator, or you have a really old house that has like the old copper wires in it and it just can't handle something like a 1322, that's when you'd buy a 16. Otherwise, just default to the 1322, get Obsessed Garage's accessories, and trust me, you're going to be much happier with it. So there you go, that's the difference between the 13 and the 16. Like I said, most people are going to want to get the 1322. You can get both of them on our website at obsessedgarage.com. And of course, if you have any specific questions, you can let us know down in the comments, or you can email support@obsessedgarage.com.